We are starting session 2 from CASIO piano series. So in this video, I'm going to teach you about positions and about the notes. So, like the normal alphabet, we have the musical alphabet. It goes from A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Okay.
It's very, very useful to learn the alphabet also backwards. So G, F, E, D, C, B, A.
Okay.
Okay, so the first position that we are going to learn is going to be the C position. The note C, we find it in the left side of the two black keys. It's here. Yeah?
Yeah.
So, like the last session, I want you to find for me all the C notes.
Okay.
That's one C. Let's see where we have another one.
C,
Yeah.
C, C,
Very nice.
C, C.
That's it. To understand the first position, we're going to put our finger one. Yeah.
On
We're
the
going to
C.
put it on the C, and one by one, we are going to reach the G.
Okay.
Yeah? So each finger is going to have one key.
Like this.
Very nice. Perfect. And in the left hand, we have it from finger 5. Yeah, because
From here.
from finger 5, which means this on the C,
okay.
we have finger
5
5
on C.
Mhm.
Okay. Like this.
Because our hands, they are like in a mirror.
Mhm.
Yeah. So the left hand has everything backwards.
Okay.
In the right hand. And by the way, the left hand, it's usually a lazier one. You know, it takes more time to learn everything. Okay, so let's try now, one by one, to play all the notes from C, D, E, F, G.
Okay. C, D, E, F, G.
Very nice. Okay, you don't have to rush. You don't have to rush. Now try to connect all the notes together. Okay. Yes, very nice. One more time. Here you go. That's the first position for you in the right hand. And
starting from number one finger?
yes, because I think it's going to be more easy. Okay, now we are gonna go back and forth. Okay, let's try first with the left hand.
Okay.
Okay, so we are gonna go from finger 1 to finger 5,
3,
4, 5, and then back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Now I'm gonna show you a little exercise. So in the left hand, keep your position, keep your C position. Show me the C position again.
Like this.
Yes, and the right hand.
Like this.
Yes. Amazing. Okay, so
I'm learning fast.
You are. So in the left hand, we are gonna press finger 5 and finger 1 at the same time. Okay, like this. 2, and we are gonna keep it for the 4 beats.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, in the right hand, we are gonna play the same thing that we did before, from finger 1 to finger 5, and then backwards.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And go backwards.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, now every time you reach finger 1, I want you to press everything together. Okay?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, try to apply also the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the right hand. Okay? So while the left hand is gonna keep these 2 notes, the right hand is gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
At the same time?
3, 2. And when you reach C, you're gonna go together. Okay? So you start together in the same time. Okay? Let's try. Very good. Very nice. Okay, now let's try one more time and try to have a bit of a beat into it. Yeah?
Okay.
4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sometimes it's tricky to do everything together, right? Because you have to coordinate the right and coordinate the left. But that's why the piano is such an interesting tool, to develop the right hemisphere of your brain and the left one.
Yeah.
So, Okay, let's try it now one more time, the last time.
Yeah,
And this for you is going to be the C position and the first position ever that we learn
Okay.
on the piano. Okay.
Here we go again.
1, 2, 3, and. So let's try together in the same time. 5, 1, and 1 in the
Okay.
same time. Perfect. And go back. When you reach C, you go together again. Make sense? Okay.
Wow.
Okay, that was good. That was very
Yeah.
good. Bravo.